everyone, I'm excited to invite you to our next open house here at
12421 Cotton Blossom Lane this Saturday from 12 to 2 p.m. Located in Farragut, this lovely all-brick home is conveniently close to shopping, restaurants, parks, Farragut schools, and interstate access. Tucked away in the subdivision of the Battery at Berkeley Park, this large home features 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths. Enjoy the hardwood floors on the main level's open floor plan, the large kitchen island, gas range, and coffered ceiling in the family room. Next to the small butler's pantry is a formal dining room and an office space across the foyer. Upstairs features a spacious master bedroom, well-appointed master bath, and custom master closet. Down the hall, the second bedroom and full hall bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom with their own sinks in each bedroom, the laundry room, and open landing complete the second floor. The downstairs basement level has been recently finished with a rec room, bar space for added enjoyment, and a 5th bedroom with extra storage. Enjoy the outdoors on your screened-in porch or sunny deck overlooking a wooded area for privacy, with the lower level of the deck featuring an outdoor paver patio.
For questions or comments about this property, please see my contact information in the description. And for any questions about the surrounding community of Farragut, please see the link also attached in the description. And thank you again for watching. I look forward to seeing you this Saturday.